For tuning into my YouTube channel. I'm going to be doing a video today on how to make this beautiful Irish crochet motif. You can make these to join onto scarves, cardigans, sweaters, throws. There's a lot you can do with these beautiful motif patterns. I hope you enjoy the video. I will be using this, of course, red yarn for this tutorial. And I'll be using a 2.5mm hook. To start off with, you can go ahead and do a magic circle if you wish to. I'm not going to start off with a magic circle. Instead, I'm going to just hold my yarn like this, twist the yarn around, and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to go ahead and slip stitch into that first chain there, chain 1, place 11 single crochets in the center because that first one always counts as 2. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then we're going to go ahead and slip stitch into that first chain space there. I'm going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to start to double crochet. We're going to skip the first chain, go into that second chain, double crochet, chain 1, into the next chain space, double crochet, chain 1, into that next chain space, double crochet, and we're going to keep doing that until we have 11 double crochets. We want 12 in total, but that first one is going to count as 1. So I've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, chain 1, and we're going to go ahead and slip stitch into that first space there. So we've now got 12 double crochets all together. We're going to make the picot stitches at the top. So go in that first chain space there, single crochet, chain 3, and we're going to go in between these 2 chains here, single crochet. That's a picot stitch. Single crochet in that same space there. Now go into that second space. Go ahead and single crochet in there. Chain 3. Make another picot stitch. And in that same chain space there, single crochet. We're going to repeat that pattern all the way around. So single crochet, chain 3, picot stitch, a single crochet. Next space, single crochet, chain 3, picot stitch. Finish with a single crochet. Next space, single crochet, chain 3, picot stitch, single crochet, single crochet, chain 3, picot stitch, single crochet, next space, single crochet, chain 3, picot stitch, single crochet in the next space, chain 3, picot stitch, single crochet, next space, single crochet, chain 3, picot stitch, single crochet, chain 3, picot stitch, single crochet, and the last one, single crochet, chain 3, picot stitch, single crochet. And to finish the piece off, we're going to go ahead and just slip stitch in between where we finished and where we started. Now I'm not gonna snip my yarn and tuck this and tuck the loose ends in, because I'm only making this pattern for this video demo, but I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, but it means the absolute world to me. Thank you so much for watching, and have a blessed day. Bye.